Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Sunday lunch. Today I'm going to be making some rice, and to be honest, I don't know what this rice is going to be called because I don't know what I'm making, but let's see how it turns out. I have some habanero here, chopped. I have some chopped garlic. I have chopped bell peppers, green and yellow. I have chopped white onion. Or is that yellow? I think it's yellow. I have some chopped tomato. I have chicken liver. And I have some basmati rice. First, I'm going to spice my chicken liver. Let's start with some salt. Nothing much. Curry. Some paprika. And some ginger powder. And then I'm going to mix this all together. So this is a heated pan. I already started heating my pan. I'm going to put some oil in there. Not just a little bit of oil. Put in my chicken liver in the hot pan. At this point, the chicken liver is exactly how we want it to be, and we can now chop them into small bites that we can use for stir fry. Without washing your pan, because you still want all those flavors to stay in there, you reheat the pan. And now, time for onions. Garlic, stir that. bell peppers. And all of that together. Add tomato. This is what you have. Now at this point, you pour in your scotch bonnet. Add cube. Oyster sauce, because I love it. I'm also going to add kiwi. Now I'm going to add the chicken liver to finish cooking up in here. Next step is making my absolute favorite thing to eat, turkey wings. You guys, I love turkey wings so much. And so I'm going to be adding this sauce to it because I want it spicy. And then I'm going to be adding some salt, soya pepper. Adding some ground ginger, some paprika. I really like using paprika when grilling meats because it adds this really nice colored powder. Maybe just a little bit more. Some garlic powder. Add some curry because why not? I think curry is my favorite spice, to be honest. And then some oil. Now we mix, and because I keep forgetting to buy gloves, I am going to be mixing with whatever thing I find. So yeah, goes mixing. Mix, 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 mix. To be honest, the best way to mix your spices when grilling meat, especially, is by mixing the spices together in a bowl before adding into the meat. I already prepped my pan. Our air fried turkey wings is now ready. Ooh, take a look at that. Take a look at that. See how brown. Thanks for cooking with me. I hope I see you in the next video.